Beauty in the broken glass. The scar's a part of me. The scars is not on me. Colors without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Cover up the colors stuck inside my head. I should have let the jagged edges lead the light instead. Show me us. I'll find your harmony. Don't listen to the night. This is what it sounds like. Guys, this is actually very rare. The shadows, don't you want heroes? Don't you want heroes? This is by your side. To a million pieces and we Don't without the lies. This is what it sounds like. The color stuck inside our head. I should have the target and just meet the light instead. Harmony is an undefined. This is what it sounds like. I think it sounds like. Okay, it's gonna be the Genu one. Like. Now I'm shining like I'm born a bear. Like broken to a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. It's cause of. Where's Lulu? I don't know. She's in the dressing room. Where's Lulu? It's an undefined. This is what it sounds like. Another lie. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, I love you, Hendrix. Nah. Guys, did you hear that? What it sounds like? Okay, guys, keep up the Hunters reference. So yeah, today's Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Bye.